Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a TikTok account that's incorrectly linked to your artist page. Whether it was linked by mistake, your artist name has changed, or you no longer want music connected to your profile, I'll guide you step by step on how to contact TikTok support and submit a ticket to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. All right, let's get into it. Step 1. Open your TikTok account and tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of your screen. Step 2. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. In the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Step 4. Once you're on the Report a Problem page, scroll all the way down and tap Chat with Us. Step 5. This will open a chat window. Rather than engaging with the automated bot, type in the message box and request to chat with a human support agent. Step 6. After requesting to chat with a human support agent, you'll see an option to submit a ticket. Tap on it to continue. Step 7. Clearly describe your issue in the space provided, keeping your message under 140 characters. You can also upload screenshots or video recordings to support your request. After entering all the necessary information, click Submit to send your request. TikTok support will review it and guide you through the steps to resolve the issue. And that's it. Whether your TikTok account was linked by mistake, your artist name has changed, or you no longer want music connected to your profile, following these steps will help you contact TikTok support and resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.